Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. So as we all know, you just want to connect your Google Maps to your phone, to your car Bluetooth, so that it can actually navigate if it's to go left or to go right and the rest of that. Understand? So it's quite easy to actually do that. So first thing you have to do is the first step actually, because I'll be showing you two steps on how to do that. So the first step is you have to open up your phone settings and click on connection, and you can see Bluetooth right there. Click on Bluetooth and turn that on first of all. Then here is where you're going to on your own car Bluetooth and also connect it. Once it's connected, it's going to show connected right here. So after doing that, all you need to do is you have to now click on that, and your car Bluetooth is going to be connected, and you'll be hearing the sound in your car. Yeah, it's actually be navigating for you to go left or go right. And the second option is the one of going to your Google Maps like this, and you can see above your screen, that's your profile right there. You click on profile and you scroll down to settings, click on settings and scroll down to navigations. You click on navigation. So right here, all you need to do is you have to make sure this play voice over Bluetooth is actually on. Once you turn that on, your Google Map is going to be connected to your car Bluetooth. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.